Hello everybody. In this video we will see AutoCAD, some basic tools used. So in the previous class we have seen the drawing tools. So in this class we will see some modification tools used in AutoCAD. So you are drawing some diagram and then you want to modify that, so that you can use modify tool. Like if you are drawing a circle here like this is circle command. Select that and you are drawing a circle. And you are drawing a circle of say 25 mm. A circle of 25 mm. Now you want to modify that. Suppose you want to move that. So this is the move command. So this is the command. Select that by using left click. Then select this object which you want to move. Then right click. Then you show the base point. Okay, you want to base point, some base point you show, and then take that and keep it somewhere here like this, so that you can move that. Okay, so now you have another modification tool, copy. This is the copy tool. So you just select that, left click, then select this object which you want to make multiple copies, right click. Okay, then select the base point, then you can make multiple copies like this. Escape. Now you want to, suppose you want to, another tool is rotate. Okay, rotate. So you have a line here like this. Okay, this is a line. You want to rotate it through some angle. So this is the rotate tool. Rotate. Select that. Select the object to be you want to rotate. Left click, then enter. That is right click. Okay, then select the base point. This is the base point. Then you give the angle. Okay, here you want to give the angle, say 30 degrees, so that the object will be rotated through the required angle. Now you have another tool, mirror tool. Okay, suppose you want to make mirror image of a particular diagram. Okay, so you can use mirror tool. So you have a line here. This is the mirror. Okay, now you want to make the mirror image of these two circles. Okay, so you want to make a mirror image of these two circles based on the, this is the mirror. Okay, so mirror image, this is the mirror. Select that. Okay, then you select the images, objects. Okay, 1 2 3, left click. Okay, so you are selecting all these three tools, I mean these three objects which you want to make mirror image. Now we will enter that. That means you just press right click. Okay, right click, so it is selected. Now you want to show the first point of the mirror, this one, and the second point of the mirror, this one. Okay, now it is asking erase the object, original object. You can give no or yes. Okay, you give no, so that it is not erased, so that you can get the mirror image of that particular three circles. Okay, so that is mirror image, mirror tool. Okay, now you want to modify this one. This is another one is scale. Okay, scale. Okay, you want to scale this particular circle. Okay, so select this scale tool, select the object which you want to scale. Okay, then right click, then you show the base point, the circle center point, then you give this scale factor. So scale factor is say 1.5. Okay, you want to make 1.5 times the, I mean you want to increase size of the object by 1.5 times, so that we can get a bigger object. So that is scale. Okay, now you have another you want to pan, means you just right click, so that you can get this different comments. So you can select the pan. Okay, then you just move it. Okay, exit, right click and then exit. Okay, now you want to, another tool is this one. This is trim. Okay, you have two tools here. We will draw one line like this. Okay, some line like this. Okay, you want to trim some, you want to cut some parts of this this you want to get a shape like this. Okay, you don't want this, all these unwanted lines. Okay, you want to raise some certain parts of this line. So for that you can use trim. Trim is for trimming, not for erasing. Okay, so you have trims command. So select the trim command, then you select all the object which you want to select trim. Okay, I mean this is the border. Okay, then you select the right click. Okay, now you have this portion you want to cut. Okay, so trim first selection is for the border. Okay, now you select the object which you want to trim. So this one, then you want to trim this portion, so select that portion, select this portion, then you have this portion and this portion and this portion, enter, so that you can get this portion. Okay, now this portion you cannot trim because there is no crossing line, just you have to delete that or erase that. So these are different tools. Now you have one more extend. Okay, suppose you want to, you have a line here like this. Okay, you want to extend that to this particular line, so you have this is the extend tool. Select extend. Now you want to extend, first you want to select the line to which you want to extend. So this is the line to which you want to extend, so select that one, right click, then you show the line which you want to extend. Okay, so then you can enter that, so that that particular line is extended to that another object. So once more I'll show you. You want to extend this line to this line. Okay, so select extend tool. This is extend, select that line up to which you want to extend, right click, then you show the line which you want to extend, so you can extend that. So that is another command, extend. Now you have here you have fillet and chamfer. So you have two lines like this. You want to chamfer here or fillet, so this is the chamfer or fillet. So here you have fillet command, select fillet, then you select the first object to fillet, second object to fillet, then you fillet. Okay, select fillet command, select first object to fillet, then you want to show you want to give the radius. Okay, so give radius as say 10 mm. Okay, then select second object to fillet, second object, fillet, first object, right click, second object, just select this fillet, first object to fillet. Okay, then you have to show, give the radius r, give the radius value. Okay, here you give the radius value, say 10 mm, enter, then you select the second object to fillet, so that you can fillet that. So the procedure is, first this is the line where you want to fillet. You have two lines, so here you want to get a fillet radius. So first you select the fillet command, then you select the first line which you want to fillet. This one we are selecting, then enter. Okay, then you want to give the radius, so just give r, enter, then you give the new radius, say 5 mm. Okay, then enter, then you select the second object to fillet, so that you can get the fillet. Now you have one more command here. This is chamfer. Okay, so you have suppose you want to get a chamfer here. This is a right angle, so you want to get a chamfer here like this. So for that you can just select this chamfer. Okay, then you select first line, so this is the first line to chamfer. Okay, then you want to give the distance or angle. You can either you can give distance or you can give angle. Okay, angle means angle, type A and enter, then you give the specified chamfer length. Okay, you give say 10 mm, then select the specify chamfer angle from the first line, so that there you are giving say 10 mm, so that you can get a chamfer like this. Okay, so chamfer, then I'll show you that once more. So this is the chamfer command, chamfer, select chamfer. Okay, then you can do one thing, you can just give distance. Okay, instead of angle you can give distance, type D and enter. So it is giving first chamfer distance. First chamfer distance we will give 10 mm, enter. Then it is asking for second chamfer distance, you can give 10 mm. Okay, then you give first line for chamfering, second line for chamfering, so that you can get the chamfer also. Okay, then you enter that. Okay, now you have erase comment. So this is erase, select erase, which object you want to erase, you can just select that. One or two object you want to erase, or this object you can select. Okay, then you can enter, so that you can erase that. So that is erase comment. Then you have one more this is offset. Okay, you want to offset this circle, this object like this. Okay, it is like parallel lines you can get offset. Okay, offset, you have to give the distance, say 5 mm, you want to give 5 mm offset. So it is asking offset first object to object to offset. So this one is circle, we want to offset to outside. Okay, you want to offset the circle to inside. So that is one. Then again you want to offset the circle to inside. Okay, like this you can offset. First the command is like this is offset, this is a tool, select the tool, then it is asking what is the distance to offset. So you can give the distance as 10 mm, enter. Okay, then you have to select the object to offset, this one you are offsetting. So these are some modification comments which are used in AutoCAD. Hope you understood this one. So in the next class we will see remaining tools, basic tools which are used in AutoCAD. Thank you very much for listening to this video. Thank you.